it's your girl Riri,
And
and welcome back to Heavenly Clues.
And I know you guys are wondering, what the hell is in our hands?
Is this a cake?
I wish.
True, because Deena loves cake.
Especially chocolate. Anyhow, so let's stay focused. So you guys are probably wondering what we have in our hands. But it's like boxes from Consuela's box.
Consuelas. It sounds so fancy.
So we will link all her information in the description below. This video is going to be divided into two because I know you guys want to see what is in her box by herself and what is in my box by myself. So if you're watching part 1, enjoy. If you're watching part 2, enjoy.
Yeah.
So let's get unboxing
So
with it.
Right guys, so I'm going to open my Consuela box. So as you can see, it's really decorated. I love the pink and it has my name on it. It says Reylene, and I'm seeing the ribbon also have Chanel, so it's kind of bougie, you know. So let's open it. Ooh, nice. So let's see what is inside. Oh my gosh, I wanted one of this. So okay, let's start with this first. Well, let me just get a look what is inside so you can see, right? And then we're going to unpack all these. So I believe this is a microfiber towel. I really wanted one of this. Like seriously, I needed one for my hair. And it's pink. Oh my gosh. I can put it on now. This is really nice. So it said hair therapy. Girl, you're sure right. So I would definitely be using this because this is something that I always wanted. Like seriously. And next in my box, oh my gosh. Why everything has to be so cute? This is something that I wanted also. So guys, when I was making Wonderful World, TMI, I really wanted one of this and I was like, I'm not really gonna buy it. But thank God I did this concealer box because I needed one of this. So when I'm going to do my makeup, you're definitely going to be seeing a girl with this in her hair. That will work just fine. OMG. I needed one of this too. So if you don't know what this is for when you're shampooing your hair and you're cleansing your hair. It's just to massage the scalp and give you circulation. So, girl, everything I need is right in this box. So I also get an edge brush. So I have one already, but this will definitely work because you can never have enough brushes for your baby hair. And next, I have, oh my gosh. So this is Passion for Braid Edge Control. The flavor is strawberry. So, see. And you know we always need edge control for your baby hair. I can't really open it, but if I do, okay, it opened it. Guys, it smells really good. It smells like strawberries. So I would definitely be using this in another video. Definitely. So that's Deena. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I really wanted one of this. If you don't know, I've been praying to get a Devon brush, right? For the longest while. I just wanted to try it out to see how my curls would have, you know, if it would have been defined. And it's good. It's worth it. It's definitely stronger than the one I bought at Pennywise. So I would definitely be using this. Good. So last in my box, what's your packaging? It's so cute. It says thank you. Like, this making me feel to go and order more boxes. Like seriously. Let me take my time, I don't want to. Okay. I don't know how this stick, but I have to open it. I don't think I can hold. I tried that. How power. Oh my gosh. I'm just keep getting more surprised. This is something that I want. Girl. Consuela know me. Like everything I wanted is in this box. Like legit. Like seriously. I love this. I'll be using this. And last, a lip balm and a Consuela nail. My heart. Watch, guys. This is worth it. Definitely worth it. I feel like, you know, when a child opening the gift for Christmas, this is how I'm feeling right now. So guys, this is something I would definitely recommend because it's like everything I wanted is in this box. Like things that I need for my curly hair, my brush that I wanted for Christmas. Like I will be using all these things. Like seriously, like it's like a dream come true. It's worth it. Definitely worth it. So we're not finished yet. Last on the list, I have this. So let's see what it is. Oh my gosh! This yes! To put up on the wall. Yes, this is real nice. I like this. I like the artsy kind of look. It looks really, really good. So this is my unboxing Consuela's box, and it was worth it. Like guys, I can't tell you how thankful I am for the stuff that I got in here. It was worth it. Really, really worth it. Yeah, so it's really, really worth it, and I'm really appreciative because it's like stuff that I really need, not want, the stuff that I really, really need. So I'm definitely going to be trying out these, and you will see it in upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!